Local news for Tuesday, the 31st of March. The fire ban in Wairarapa has been eased to a restricted fire season. Restrictions are placed on some burning activities. You may still be able to have a fire provided you obtain a permit. To check if you require one, go to wrfd.org.nz. Shock Chocolates, based in Greytown, have won have won big medals at the New Zealand Chocolate Awards, picking up golds for 4 of their creations, as well as a silver for their Easter tablet. A social media page is helping people get through the lockdown period. Love Thy Neighbour Wairarapa offers a friendly look at things people are doing while in self-isolation. And the 2020 Heartland rugby season has been cancelled. The Heartland CEOs have been in lengthy discussion since the middle of last week on several different models and opportunities around the season due to the COVID-19 pandemic. And the CEOs of all of the Heartland unions have agreed that their club competition is important and should be their number one priority. Kia ora. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.